Hello, this is Jordan with the practice set, and today we're going to do a Calculus 3 problem for finding traces on quadric surfaces and cylinders. Okay, so in this problem we have to find the trace given for the given function on the x, y, and z directions. So the function that we're given right here is 2x squared plus 9y squared plus 18z squared is equal to 18. So the first step in solving this problem is that we have to get it set equal to 1. And in order to do that, we just have to divide the whole thing by 18. So that gives us x squared over 9 plus y squared over 2 plus z squared equals 1. So just to give you a brief overview of what a trace is, it's what shape is happening on the xy plane, the xz plane, and the yz plane. What are the shapes that are on those? So the way that we do that is, let's say, to just show you an example of how we're going to do that, is we take to find the yz trace, we're going to take the x variable and set that equal to k. After we set it equal to k, what we do is we move it to the other side of the equation. That way, as you see, we're solving for the yz trace, so we want to have yz on one side. And this gives us its own shape. This gives us an ellipse. So that's the trace that happens on the yz plane in this shape. And that's all you have to do for that. Then we go to try to find the xz plane. So in order to find the xz plane, the missing variable is y. We set y equal to k, and then we move that to the other side. This also gives us an ellipse, and then we do the same for the xy plane. We take the z and we move that to the right side. So as we see, all of our traces are ellipses, and this is just a very basic trace problem. So I hope that you learned a lot from this. We have a bunch more problems on our website, thepracticeset.com. There'll be a link in the description. We're an upper level STEM class practice problem database where we just try to give you step-by-step instructions just like we did in this video so that you can really understand it, and we try to explain the rationale as best as we can. Hope to hear from you, and we hope to see you on the website. All right, bye-bye.